Subway Surfers. Sorry my voice isn't good. I was just sleeping. I'm so sorry. I'm 65 plus years old. That's better. Alright, time to cook. Alright. I know how to play this game, so don't give me instructions. Alright. Fresh moves. Thank you. So, thank you. You rock out of here. He ain't catching me now. Bye. Yes. I got some fancy. So fancy. Yes. And I get some free coins. Bro, the whole day, all I wanted to do was just sleep, bro. Guys, I need some help. Tomorrow is Elmo's birthday, and I'm gonna make that for episode of toys. But I'm on 18, and I already planned 19 and 20, and I was sleeping. So that means I have to plan Elmo's birthday for a different day, so people would believe it. But hey, we're on a roll though, so I can't be mad. Hey, but we haven't died yet. At least I'm not concerned about our death. And I heard Poppy Playtime Chapter 5 is releasing this year. I mean this month. Month! Compete in the game. You will see people spit. How did I die? Yay! Yay! That was so simple. Oh, I'm rich! Jake, stop eating! I'm gonna hit you if you don't stop eating. P. Personification? Well, that's kind of figurative. I'ma go get it. I'm risking it for the biscuit. I'm such a Sigma. Wait, I just realized something. Do you know Corruption Part 12? The color Corruption? I was supposed to post it on January, but I missed the month. So, sorry. I'm gonna try to post it this year. Mystery box! The box of the mysteries. Why did I not dunk? I swore I dunked. No! Oh, we got a graffiti. I'm tickling myself. Why would I say that? My Cybo and Kilo. Why did that rhyme though? But hey, let's but let me do something real quick. So That's better. Ow! I just died in 1 second. Jake, does it look like you're funny? No. I swear I'm gonna body you like I did last year. Wee! Ah! Yeah, is it just me or I just hear some blade ball? Wait, I remember blade ball. That used to be one of my favorite games. I don't know. The reason I quit blade ball is because Fulton quit blade ball. And if he starts playing it again, I'm gonna start playing it again. But we might have a low chance of him returning. You know what? I don't need his help anyways. I know how blade ball works. You just gotta hit the ball. You can't let the ball touch you. Because the ball's freaky. I don't know what makes me in my mind say that. But hey, I'm doing some good process. How? Howdy everybody. I had to go to school today, by the way. Ooh, I'm flexible. Hey, get that E! I dunked. I'm such a person. Hey! Yay! Yay! What the freak is that? Hit! 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 I realized I haven't did Sprunky. Alright, guys. Do you know Sprunky? Oh, shoot. Oh, my willigers. I just died. No! Hey, I got my new high score. Yes, a hoverboard. Yes, baby. Give me that hoverboard. I really didn't want that. I really wanted the fire thing. So I ain't even gonna complain. Because it sucks. Wow. I'm gonna find how I could change my name. Oh, I could buy new people. Well, I could buy new people. Whoa. Alright, guys. Let's go. Wow, let me find something that doesn't cost a lot of money. Wow. I can even buy crab. Well, that's unfortunate because I want to see something that's at least low. Let me buy something, please. Oh, I think I know who I'm going to buy. I'm going to buy the ninja. Because he a Okay. Hey, yeah, do y'all know my mom lets me say the N-word? She says it's not a bad word. She just says it's a mean. She just said it's very mean. So I'm gonna say right now, nigga. Let's attract these coins. Let's attract these coins. Hit. Hit. What is that? No. I almost got the mystery. Dude. If I had enough reaction time. What the hell just happened? Did they try to doom me? What is wrong with you? Okay. Let's cook, okay? Oh, baby, let's cook to the flow, to the flow, to the flow, flow, flow. Oh, I have an idea. I'm not gonna... The thing I remember to plan for 19, I'm actually going to make it as Elmo's birthday, so I kind of saved myself. 21 will be the new 19, though. Wee. Yeah, it up, it up, it up, it up, it up, it up, Hey, guess what? I might be lucky because my teacher said no. Okay, my teacher didn't say no though, but my teacher said if we do good, since we're the dream class, we're like the most watched class, and we're the goodest class in the whole entire school. I don't even know how we're the best, but hey, we're lucky though. Couldn't be me though. So so since we're the best, and we do, and some people are gonna visit us, we're gonna get recorded, and we're going to channels. I think we're going to channel 10 or channel 7, so make sure to watch it. I think it's happening on Tuesday, so try to watch it there. And also, if we do good at visiting, we're gonna get a pizza party, and we had names write down and who's gonna have it. And some of my partners and friends wasn't here today, so I don't know if they're gonna get the pizza party. So they might be busted. Boy, I just said busted. I want my mama. Okay. Oh, baby grill, I got a key. Is this how Subway Surfers is always like? Because I'm surprised. Oh yeah. Give me my keys, boy. Give me my keys to the boy. Yeah, boom, bed up. Alright, let's start. Baby boy, let's start. Wait, guys. I'm doing something. Oh, this is how you do your name. Oh. Alright, I learned my name, guys. That's the mystery thingy I wanted to know. Double jump? What is this? This is sick. Wee. Whoa, wee. Ow, I hit myself on the ceiling. That's horrible. Subway Surfers, I hurt myself. Can you give me medication because I have a boo-boo? I don't think me bumby. Ay. Ha! This is not how a Haitian should die. Please, I'm Haiti. Help. Guys, I just read the news about ICE, and they kidnapped a 5-year-old boy for 3 weeks. But many people fought and did dangerous things just for him to get saved. So I want to do that if I were y'all, because I don't want to harm myself just for a kid. I'm also a kid too. That was scary. I almost got busted. Bro, I love Poppy playtime. Poppy, I'm gonna turn you into mac and cheese. Mac and cheese. Yes, yes, please. Oh, yeah. Into mac and cheese. Oh, mac and cheese. What am I singing? And oh my gosh. That hurts. Ow! Stop! No! I hit myself on the train. I hit myself on the train and I did it twice in a row. Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Oh my god! Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Yes! 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 Oh guys, sorry for screaming. I got something very good. Oh. Something that is not expensive. I'm gonna pass out on you so you can die. Okay, I don't know how that works. Yes, I got my first milestone. In 1 day, by the way. Oh, yay. Oh, I forgot. They save my things since 25 August. So, I get my things saved. But hey, guys, I'm your new Jake. My name is, Robody from, Battle for Dream Island. No, Battle for Dream Island. Why did I do that? I could have flew up, but I did that. Bro, you could have got the jetpack. This is why I hate Subway furfers. They're here to doom me. Wow. That's really not fun. That hurts. But I did it my own self, so I cannot be talking. Bye. No. Wait. Hot Tua, spit on my thing. Why did I say that? We're gonna turn you into a block blast. Oh, block blast. Oh, yeah. I don't know what to eat for today. Guys, can I tell y'all something? I'm doing an MLK. Do you know Martin Luther King? I'm gonna be playing as him. And I'm gonna be in front of a lot of people. I'm scared! I don't care if I told you like the ability of time. I'm scared! I'm gonna scream like a teapot. I'm gonna scream like a teapot person. I can turn you into mac and cheese. Oh, yes, please. I'm doing so wonderful. I'm doing so horrific. Or horrible. I don't know. Hey, at least is this called skill, though? I don't have a skill issue, unlike those haters who try to hate on my video. You think you can do better? Nah, I doubt it, dog. Yeah. I almost screamed on the top of. Why would I put it there? I didn't mean to put it there. I duped myself. I'm dead. I just duped myself. No. please. Yeah, I'm cooked. I just lost. GG's, guys. Guys, bye. I lost. What? We're going on a trip on our favorite rocket ship. We're going on a trip with our favorite rocket ship because we're a Sigma. She gon' call me baby boo. She gon' call me baby boo. She don't call me baby boo. She gon' call me baby boo. She don't 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 call me baby boo. This is so easy. This might be the easiest game in forever for the evers. Why do I crouch like that? I'm like, why were there two? That's not fair. There were two. Ouchie! Alright, guys. We're doing it wonderful. Yo! You see this? I'm sick. I don't even know how Jake is able to do this without being tired. I'm concerned about you, Jake. I'm concerned about you, Jake. Jake. Alright, guys. This is going to be my last round. If I lose... Yes! Jetpack! Jetpack in the shout. Everybody scream my name. Jetpack in the shout. In the pillar loud. Be daddy do daddy do do dee dee dee. Yes! Mark. Double coins. You get to get spoiled. Thank you, Dad. Are you serious? Hey, do not take away my double coin streak, boy. This is my double coin streak. You ain't taking nothing from me. I'm rich. I'm just rich. At this point, I'm just the richest person in this game. Okay, I was big sarcastic. I'm not the richest in the game. I think I'm actually the poorest in the game. That's also sarcasm. I'm in the middle of everything. High jumping. I got a ward. Oh, no. Why is he playing basketball with his head? Is he nuts? Oh crap, I'm recording still.